Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's Grocery Stores, and I'm going to show you how to make the most absolute delicious fudgy gooey peppermint brownies. The first thing we need to do is simply mix everything together. So in a large bowl, we're going to add in some melted unsalted butter, followed up with some sugar. Go ahead and grab a whisk and mix all of those ingredients together until they are combined. And next, I do have some melted semi-sweet chocolate. You can do this in the microwave or on the cooktop. Go ahead and whisk those together until it becomes mixed. It might be a little hard to mix. You'll be fine. Add in some eggs. Whisk those together. It should thin out a little bit here. And next, I'm going to add in some vanilla, a little bit of baking soda, baking powder, some salt, and finally some flour. Grab that whisk back and mix all of the ingredients until they are completely combined. This looks fantastic. And for a little extra chocolate, I've got some semi-sweet chocolate chunks that I'm going to fold in using a rubber spatula. This looks absolutely excellent. Go ahead and set it to the side, and now I've got a springform pan. We're going to spray it down with some nonstick spray, and I'm going to add the brownie batter right to the center. This is almost going to be like a brownie cake. It's going to be absolutely amazing. We're going to bake it on 350 degrees for about 65 to 70 minutes because this is so big. Now, it may look a little flat in the center. That's because I like it to be extra gooey in the center. If you don't like that, go ahead and cook it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Finish it with a little bit of chocolate and peppermints. This is such an incredible dessert to serve up during the holidays. You, your family, and your guests will love this.